Hey guys, what's going on? It's Kyle with Hogworks. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're in the shop to introduce a brand new part to our lineup. This is an outer fairing skirt cover. It's going to come in a variety of OEM color matches, vivid black, denim black, as well as unpainted. We have these available for 14 and up touring models, as well as 96 to 13 touring models. And this is a direct OEM replacement to your OEM cover. This is a quick and easy installation, and today we're here with Alex. He's going to jump right into how to get this bad boy on your bike. Let's jump right into it.
All right guys, so these panels go on by removing your blinker and then removing the lower fairing bolts, one on each side. It's going to be done with a T27 Torx bit. Depending on what kind of blinkers you're running, you know, the screws are going to vary, but essentially it's going to bolt in through your bottom blinker bolt. So after you got your blinker out of the way, go ahead and remove this lower front panel screw. And basically what this is going to do is allow you a little bit of wiggle room to move the front fairing forward and then slide this out. So again, depending on your blinker, you might have to remove the whole thing. In our situation here, we can get away with just taking out the lower one, loosening the top one, and then rotating it out of the way. And then we'll remove our front fairing bolt down here. All right, after you got everything loosened up, go ahead and move the front fairing forward a little bit and your OEM will slide right out. And then same process to install the new one. So we'll go ahead and reinstall our lower front fairing screws. Then we'll reinstall our lower blinker screw here that's going to hold the panel in place. And don't forget to retighten your top one if you didn't have to take it off. And the install is easy as that.